Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing the issue of whether poker legalization is sort of a harbinger, if you will, is sort of signaling the possibility of full casino legalization. Thought of making this video after reading a recent article from the Bangkok Post, bangkokpost.com. Article is titled, "Government Clarifies Stance on Poker Policy." Quoting directly, he also firmly dismissed suggestions that the move is linked to the government's controversial entertainment complex initiative. Quote, "It's completely unrelated," unquote, he said. Quote, "This is an exceptional case. The Interior Minister remains concerned about gambling. Illegal gambling remains a criminal offense." Quoting further, separately, Chanin Rungtanakiat, Secretary to the Interior Minister, elaborated on the July 30th directive, Order number 2253/2568, signed by Mr. Phumtham. Quoting further, the order rescinds Interior Order number 490/2501, which had banned poker due to concerns about excessive gambling losses. The rationale for the update is to reflect the evolving nature of poker as a recognized competitive sport rather than just a gambling activity. And I urge those who are watching this video, go check out that article in detail. Mr. Phumtham, who I personally have had, my issues with, and I've been vocal about that, but I do have to say this is good policy and credit where credit is due. That said, it should not be viewed as legalization of full gambling in Thailand. They're making a distinction based on the fact that poker is a skill game. It is akin to a sport. And they're making a distinction based on that and saying, look, there may be licensure in the future for those kinds of games, notwithstanding the fact that we still have not seen legalization of casinos. As I've discussed in other videos, I have serious ambivalence about the most recent iterations of proposals brought before the Thai Parliament for casinos in Thailand, most notably because I'm concerned that it benefits foreigners at the expense of Thailand. Basically, foreigners get to profit off of it while Thailand has to deal with the societal ills, etc. I've also, voiced my concerns that maybe Mr. Phumtham is in the Interior Ministry possibly because land associated with a possible casino, there might be some issue there. That being said, it hasn't happened. There hasn't been a law that's legalized casinos yet. I think it's pretty unlikely, at least in the immediately foreseeable future, that we would see such a law. That being said, I think poker is a good thing for Thailand, as I've discussed in other videos. It's a skill game. It's not gambling per se. I think it could also, if properly allowed on a broad basis, could augment pre-existing businesses, especially small businesses here in Thailand, because like having a pool table or a dart board, there could be circumstances where poker tournaments could be held at different venues, and this could benefit already existing businesses here in Thailand. So overall, I think it's a positive development. That said, as discussed in another video made contemporaneously with this one, it's not full legalization. There is going to be regulation associated with it. They have not rolled that out yet. It is not particularly similar to the rollout of cannabis, where it was sort of the Wild West. Anybody could do whatever. This is going to happen in phases. We're going to see oversight, and it's going to take a minute, basically. That said, we will certainly be keeping people updated on this channel as this situation evolves.